Pascale from the library, and today I'm going to show you how to make a simple, colorful butterfly using coffee filters. First of all, you want to find a nice big space where you can spread out. And we're going to be working with water today, so make sure you put some newspaper down and move anything out of the way that you don't want getting wet. For this craft today, we're going to be using markers or watercolor paints if you have them. If you're using watercolors, you'll want to have a brush and a cup of water. For the markers, we'll be using a spray bottle, and we're also going to be using some pipe cleaners. But if you don't have pipe cleaners, a twist tie will work just fine. And we're also going to need a place for the coffee filters to dry, like a cookie sheet or a paper plate. Now we're ready to get started. So first you're going to want to flatten out your coffee filter in front of you. Next you're going to start coloring it using your markers or watercolors. And feel free to color as much or as little of the circle as you like. And experiment with different colors and different patterns and find out what looks best to you. Another nice bold color. And remember that it doesn't have to be perfect, because all of these colors are going to blend together and create a beautiful tie-dye effect. Okay. This is also a great craft for adults to help with, wink wink, because the coloring is just very relaxing. So I'll add some green next. And I think I'll finish off with some purple, just right in the middle there. And then there we are. I think that's done. Once we've got our coffee filter colored, we're going to apply a little bit of water on it. If you've used watercolor paints, you can skip this step and spread them out to dry. So using the spray bottle or a paintbrush and a little bit of water, you want to wet your coffee filter just enough that the colors start to smear. This is my favorite part. If you use a lot of water, that's okay. It'll just take a little bit longer for them to dry. You can see already the colors running beautifully together. So we want to make sure every part of it is wet. We don't want to leave any color dry. So now that it's completely wet, we're going to carefully move it over to our drying area. I've got my cookie sheet ready here. So I'm just going to carefully lift it off the newspaper. And then just delicately move it onto the cookie sheet. And we'll let it dry there for about 20 to 30 minutes undisturbed. And then we'll be ready to make our butterfly. Okay, so we've given our coffee filter plenty of time to completely dry, and now we're ready to assemble our butterflies. We're going to be using one pipe cleaner or twist tie to make the body and antennae. You may want to cut it in half if you think it's a bit too long. And even a clothespin would work for the body. So to find the middle, you could do it two ways. You could either fold it and then just kind of pinch it in the middle like this to find the wings. And then just tie your pipe cleaner around here. Or another thing you could do Just open it back up again, and we can accordion fold it. So fold it over the top, and then fold it on the bottom, and then just keep doing that until you've done the whole circle. So we've got our circle all folded. It should look kind of like this. So we've got our middle right here. We'll just hold it, pinch it in the middle, and we'll take our body, our pipe cleaner around here, and then we'll just make an X with the top of the pipe cleaner, and then just twist it around like this. You may want to get an adult to help you with this. And then just keep twisting until you think there's enough. And then with the top, you can just bend it a little bit, create some funky little antennae. And then just kind of move the wings around. Spread them out a bit so they're facing the way you want. And there you have it, your own beautiful coffee filter butterfly. If you'd like to make other crafts with your colorful coffee filters, you could try making an ocean animal sun catcher, an adorable coffee filter monster, or a fun garland to decorate your house for spring. That's all for today, everyone. Thank you for crafting with me, and I'll see you soon.